Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to monitor internet activity using TCPView on Windows. TCPView is a free Microsoft Sysinternals tool that displays all active TCP and UDP network connections in real time. It shows which applications are using the internet, along with their local and remote addresses, ports, and connection states. First, open TCPView and wait a few moments for the connection list to load. Next, open a web browser and visit any website to generate network activity. Return to TCPView and locate your browser process, such as Chrome exe. Select an established connection to view its details, including the process name, local address, remote address, and connection state. To keep the information up to date, click the refresh button or press F5. TCPView updates the connection list in real time, allowing you to monitor changes as applications connect to and disconnect from the internet. That's how you can monitor internet activity with TCPView on Windows. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.